Hi NEET aspirants. നമ്മൾ കൊറോണയെ സംബന്ധിച്ച് കുറച്ച് ഡിലേ വരുന്നുണ്ട് എക്സാമുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട് നീറ്റുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട് സോ വി ആർ ഗെറ്റിംഗ് മോർ ടൈം ഫോർ പ്രിപ്പറേഷൻ സോ വി ആൾറെഡി കംപ്ലീറ്റഡ് ഡിസ്കസ്ഡ് 2 portions from chemistry, especially from the first part of atomic structure and then dual nature of matter. Dual nature of matter is one of the chapter from second year physics. Even though you know that we can connect it with the first chapter of chemistry, atomic structure, and we detailedly discussed about this photoelectric effect and its benefits, and we already explained it in detail. And now we have to move more questions. We have to solve more questions from this. So we decided to include some questions for you. So you can attempt for these questions, and in the next video we will provide these more explanation for these questions, and we can clarify your doubts, and you can expect the explanation from us on next video. Thank you.